In this video, we will reset the Delta DTC1000 temperature controller to the factory default communication parameters using the hardware reset method. The following procedure returns the RS485 link to the original settings. The Delta DTC has an RS485 link for connection to an HMI or SCADA system. The DTC factory default communication parameters are as shown. When these parameters are changed and a reset to the default communication setting is desired, the following procedure sets the DTC back to the original parameters. This procedure is done with the incoming power and run stop switch. With power off, switch the mode switch to run. Apply the power supply voltage. The power and run indicators will illuminate. Switch to stop and wait for the run indicator to extinguish. Repeat the run stop action 2 more times. After the third switch to stop, the run indicator will remain on and the error indicator will illuminate. Remove the supply voltage. Power the DTC back on. The power indicator will illuminate. The DTC is now reset to its factory default settings as shown. Configuration with DTCOM may now be used to configure the RS485 link to the desired settings for the client device. This procedure only resets the communication parameters. Tuning and controller settings are not affected. For application notes and videos on the Delta temperature controllers, visit our knowledge base.